Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak With Us.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex. We're so happy you're joining us today.
Imagine you're feeling sick. You walk into a pharmacy. You need medicine, but you don't know what to say in English.
Don't worry. By the end of this conversation, you'll know exactly what to say.
Let's go inside the pharmacy. Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Of course. What seems to be the problem?
I've had a terrible headache since this morning. I also feel a little tired.
I'm sorry to hear that. Have you taken any medicine today?
No, I haven't taken anything yet.
Do you have a fever?
No, just a headache.
I recommend these pain relief tablets. They work quickly for most headaches.
How many tablets should I take?
Take 1 tablet every 6 hours if needed. Don't take more than 4 tablets in one day.
Should I take them before or after food?
It's better to take them after eating, and drink plenty of water.
Thank you. That's really helpful.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Actually, yes. I have another question. I've been coughing for the last 2 days.
I see. Tell me a little more about your cough.
It's a dry cough. It gets worse at night. Sometimes it keeps me awake.
I understand. Do you have a sore throat as well?
Yes. My throat feels a little sore.
In that case, I recommend this cough syrup. It can help relieve both your cough and your sore throat.
How often should I take it?
Take 2 teaspoons 3 times a day after meals. Shake the bottle well before each use.
Are there any side effects?
Most people don't experience any serious side effects. However, it may make some people feel a little sleepy.
I usually drive to work every morning. Is that okay?
If you feel sleepy after taking it, avoid driving. You can take your first dose this evening and see how your body reacts.
That sounds like a good idea. Thank you for explaining everything.
You're very welcome. Do you have any allergies to medicine?
No, I don't have any medicine allergies.
That's good to know. Are you taking any other medication at the moment?
No, this is the only medicine I'll be taking.
Perfect. Then this medicine should be suitable for you.
How long should I continue taking it?
Take it for about 5 days. If your cough doesn't improve, you should visit your doctor.
I will. Thank you for your advice.
My pleasure. Is there anything else you'd like today?
Yes. I also have a prescription from my doctor. Could you fill it for me?
Certainly. May I have your prescription, please?
Certainly. May I have your prescription, please?
Of course. Here it is.
Thank you. Please give me a moment while I check the prescription. Everything looks fine. I'll prepare your medicine right away.
How long will it take?
Only a few minutes. While you're waiting, is there anything else you need?
Actually, yes. I'm feeling tired almost every day. Do you have any vitamins that might help?
Yes, we do. These daily multivitamins are one of our most popular choices. They contain important vitamins and minerals for everyday health.
How many should I take each day?
Take 1 tablet every morning after breakfast. Don't take more than the recommended amount.
How long should I continue taking them?
You can take them daily. Most people notice the benefits after a few weeks of regular use.
That's good to know. I'll take a bottle as well.
Great choice. Your prescription medicine is ready too. Here you are.
Thank you very much. Could you explain how I should take this medicine?
Certainly. Take 1 tablet in the morning and 1 in the evening after meals. Try to take them at the same time every day.
What should I do if I forget a dose?
Take it as soon as you remember. But if it's almost time for your next dose, skip the missed one. Never take a double dose.
Thank you. That's very easy to understand.
You're welcome. Do you have any other questions before you check out?
Yes. I'd also like to buy a digital thermometer for my home.
Certainly. We have several models available. Let me show you the best option.
This one looks nice. Is it easy to use?
Yes. Just press the power button. Place it under your tongue. In a few seconds, you'll see the temperature on the screen.
That's very simple. I'll take this one.
Excellent choice. Would you like anything else today?
No, I think that's everything.
All right. Let me calculate your total. Your prescription medicine, the cough syrup, the vitamins, and the digital thermometer. Your total comes to $48.50.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. You can pay by card or cash.
I'll pay by card.
Please insert your card. Perfect. Your payment has been approved. Here's your receipt, and here's your bag.
Thank you so much for your kindness and your help.
You're very welcome. I hope you feel better soon.
I'm sure I will. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Take care.
Before we finish, let's quickly review some useful expressions. Excuse me, can you help me please?
I have a bad headache.
Do you have something for it?
How often should I take it?
Are there any side effects?
Could you fill my prescription, please?
Can I pay by card?
Here's your receipt.
Excellent work. Every real conversation you practice makes your English stronger.
Keep speaking, keep practicing, and little by little, you'll become a confident English speaker.
For spending your time with us. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to Speak With Us, and share it with someone who's learning English.
We'll see you in the next conversation. Goodbye and have an amazing day.